10th class student, exercise 12.3. 13.3. Question number 1. One is a sphere which radius is 4.2 semi. After melted, recast the cylinder which radius is 6 semi. Find the height, that is question. Sphere and cylinder. Radius is equal to 4.2 semi. Then melted and recast. Radius is equal to 6 semi. H is equal to find at first find the volume of both shapes. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube is that formula to find the sphere. 4/3 pi into r value is 4.2 cube. 4/3 pi into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 semi cube will be 3 divided by 1.4, that is volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder pi r square h is formula. Pi r value is 6, square h value to find. Pi into 6 into 6 into h, semi cube is volume of recast the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. We find the pi into 6 into 6 into h is equal to 4 pi into 1.4 into 4.2 into 4.2. Find the value of h. H is equal to 4 pi into 1.4 into 4.2 into 4.2. 6 goes the upon and pi. 6 into 6. Pi divided by pi. 6 7 ja 6 7 ja. After multiply, 7 7 जा 49, 49 multiply by 56, 14 4 जा 56, 5 4 5 30, 6 4 जा 24, 29, 5 4 and 2, after 4 4 7 and 2, 2.744, semi will be radius of the cylinder melted the recast. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a sphere, one sphere name, 3 sphere melted, make a big let 3 sphere after melted a big sphere. Question number 2, sphere first and second and third. Three sphere melted, recast the radius is R1 is 6 semi, R2 is equal to radius of second sphere is 8 semi, then third R3 is equal to 10 semi. Volume of first 4/3 pi 6 cube. Why? Volume formula is 4/3 pi R1 cube. As volume of second 4/3 pi 8 cube. Semi cube volume measure in and third volume of third sphere 4/3 into 10 cube. Semi cube is volume of 3 sphere. Melted after melted new sphere volume of new sphere is equal to volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere and plus volume of third sphere. 4/3 pi r cube is that formula. 4/3 pi 6 cube volume of first sphere and 4/3 pi 8 cube is second plus 4/3 pi 10 की पावर 3 is volume of 4/3 pi r cube is equal to take the common the 4/3 pi 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Divide by both sides. R cube is equal to 216 8 8 जा और 10 1000 after plus 1728 R is equal to cube root of 1728 semi cube root of 17 is 12. R is equal to 12 semi. Radius of new sphere 12 semi will be radius of the new sphere. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a well dug out well shape is cylinder. That is well dug out the 20 meter is deep and diameter is equal to 7 meter and dug the earth spared the a rectangular path 22 meter and 14 meter wide this platform. Volume of at first find the what is the volume of earth who dug out. Cylindrical cylinder you mean well and cuboid. H is equal to DEEP deep. Can the deep 20 meter and diameter of well 7 meter. Then radius will be 7/2 meter. Volume of pi r square h is formula. Pi value is 22/7, r value 7/2, h value is equal to 20. 27 into 7/2 into 20, 7 divided by 7, 11 and 10. After multiply, 770 meter cube is volume of earth who dug out from the well. L is equal to B is equal to and height we find. Spare the earth soil in platform. Volume will be L into B into H. Make a cuboid. L 22 into 14 into H. Meter cube will be volume of cuboid is equal to volume of earth. Soil you can dissolve. 22 into 14 into H is equal to 770 meter cube is volume of earth. H is equal to upon 22 into 14, 11 2 ja, 11 7 ja, 35, 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja, 5/2 is equal to 2.5 meter. Height will be spared soil in the platform. Thank you.